Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Jeep Wrangler. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, cloth interior. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jeep on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.